AI demos. Discover latest AI tools with video demos.
AISEO, copywriting done 10 times faster. Are you looking to write high quality content but struggling to find the time or inspiration? AISEO can help you. Simply head to dashboard. Ready to generate your own unique article? Just enter your topic, describe what you want your blog post to be about, and enter some keywords. With the click of a button, AISEO will generate a list of article ideas for you to choose from. Once you have selected an idea, enter some keywords to generate an introduction for your article. Once the intro is selected, move to next step to get outlines. Then select the outlines suggested by AISEO. You are just one step away from creating your very own blog. All you need to do now is click on Generate Blog. In just moments, you will have an incredible article ready to share with your audience. Struggling to find right words for your content? AISEO's Content Phrasal tool can help you. With just a few clicks, you can transfer your writing and take it to the next level. With AISEO, you will never have to struggle with writer's block again. Sign up today and start create amazing content in minutes.
Want to see more AI demos? Visit aidemos.com.